Tired of slow and expensive bank transfers? Want a faster, more convenient way to move your money? Then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into how to seamlessly connect your bank account to Beam Wallet. This powerful feature unlocks a world of possibilities, from instant transfers to streamlined bill payments. But first, let's address a burning question: why even bother connecting your bank account to Beam Wallet? Well, imagine this. You need to pay a friend back quickly, split a dinner bill effortlessly, or maybe you're in a pinch and need to access your funds instantly. Beam Wallet, with your bank account linked, makes these scenarios a breeze. Instant transfers: forget waiting days for bank transfers to clear. Beam Wallet allows for near instantaneous transfers between your bank and the wallet, giving you access to your money when you need it most. Streamlined bill payments: say goodbye to tedious manual payments. With your bank account connected, you can effortlessly schedule and pay bills directly from the Beam Wallet app. Enhanced security: Beam Wallet employs robust security measures to protect your financial information. Now, let's get down to business. Here's how to add your bank account to Beam Wallet. Open the Beam Wallet app, locate the app on your device, and tap to open it. Navigate to the settings, look for the settings icon, usually a gear or a person silhouette, and tap on it. Find Bank Accounts. Within the settings menu, you should find an option labeled Bank Accounts or something similar. Tap Add Bank Account. This will initiate the bank account linking process. Select your bank. From the list of supported banks, choose the institution where you have your account. Enter your account details. You'll be prompted to enter your bank account information, such as your account number and routing number. Verify your account. To ensure the connection is secure, Beam Wallet will typically initiate a small test deposit into your bank account. Confirm the deposit amount. Once the test deposit hits your bank account, return to the Beam Wallet app and enter the amount of the test deposit to confirm the connection. And that's it. You've successfully linked your bank account to Beam Wallet. Now, you can enjoy the convenience of fast transfers, streamlined bill payments, and a more seamless financial experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.